That's not going. There we go. So she's got this way of stopping as soon as I get the camera out. Come on! That's the wrong way.
It depends on what she's at.
You gonna go get the puppy dog? Okay, well apparently she's gonna tell me how to do it.
She was talking to Granny today. Yeah.
It's over here! You silly. Bo and Cassie, get out of the way.
The camera's on and the dogs get in there.
Well, they're cute too. They say, look, we can walk around. Really? Are you saying you already showed Popo how to crawl, so you don't need to do it no more? There, see? You can do it. Blah, 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 blah.
I think she's saying Pop.
I think she's saying I'm a demon.
I think she's saying
I think this is like some sort of satanic language. Oh, Sydney. Okay, Mommy didn't call you a demon. That wasn't nice. Oh!
That's what she did today. She got just plumb beside herself. So we said, okay.
What is that? Hey, so, are you angry? I got this feeling that you're angry.
She just gets beside herself. Something is not working right.
You have the toy. Why are you still mad?
She